Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday, the 21st of February. This is our weekly recap. It goes out to all my subscribers and everybody on my email list and follows me on YouTube. If you want to learn more about me and get this type of analysis, throughout the day and twice a day in videos on a daily basis, just come out and visit me over at smartoptiontrading.com and give me a try for 25 bucks for the first 30 days. Don't want to spend a lot of time on that today. I want to talk about the markets here and what's going on. And, here we are. We have 30 minutes to go into the close. Markets just off the lows, but not really getting any power or holding in very, very well. And, this comes to risk, 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 risk. For me, this was a great week, and hopefully for most people with me. The market gave a lot of nice trades on Tuesday and Wednesday. The setups were really there. They were crystal clear. Yesterday morning, I told everybody before the open, I'll even show you the video if you want to see it, that the market fell off. It wasn't, the market didn't feel right. The action felt off yesterday morning before the open. This was early on. The setups weren't there. Things weren't as clear. Yesterday, we pushed up, looked good, and then we got this big sell program out of nowhere that triggered other sell programs, created liquidity issues, and we got this big move down and then this move back up. Overnight, coronavirus really started to push its ugly head back up. Specifically, there's a lot of concern that this is getting out of control and spreading into South Korea, which is a big Western economic center. So everybody's going to be watching there in Japan very closely. Iran saying they think every city they have is infected with the coronavirus. That could be very bad as well, except they're not a big part of the global economy. But it's really watching as how this is spreading or being contained that this market's worried about. So for the first time, I will tell you this market's showing just a little bit of fear, a little concern. Here we are, came in, we held the 21-day today. We said this is a big area this morning, 232 to 233. It's holding it. If we lose here, your 3% pullback is 328.90. Your 5% is 322. Holding the 50-day like last time would be a good spot to maybe start looking for some longs if we flushed on Monday morning. You can keep that in mind. Overall, tech was weak. And if you look at the cues which had been leading us through this process, through this move up, finally were the ones that were the first to come in and started saying, okay, things are not so great here. And here they are to the 21-day. And we saw tech getting battered harder against most things. You look around, the VIX finally popping a bit up here into the 18, still hasn't taken out that 19 at 20 area high, not acting particularly special, but trying to go. You look at gold. Gold is running, had a nice big move. That's breaking out. We saw Nugget gap up and give a nice move today. So these are things you can look to play to the long side if you'd like. And we're seeing bonds finally getting a little bit of love here. And they're starting to talk about the yield inversion again because it's on the verge of it. So everything just keeps going around and spinning in this market. Bottom line is there were things to do. And if you were looking what to trade this week, it came in right on the open. Zoom was set up coming into Tuesday morning. Gave a beautiful trade out there, even gave multiple days on it, made that. We nailed that multiple times. Square was set up coming in as well. 2 nice day moves here. Goes into earnings next week, holding up. We'll see what this one wants to do. Roku did not come in very well. Bad earnings, gave a nice bounce off of it, but not really holding up. Still coming down here, not holding in well. Same thing with Netflix. Netflix tried it this week, made some money on it, got lucky and got out, not holding in well, but holding in better than most of the market. It's only to its 8-day. And that's what we're looking at, some names that are showing some strength here. Crowd finally broke out this week as well. Stamps gave this incredible move this week. There was a lot going on. For me, I rotated in and out of names, took profits throughout the week, made nice money on Tuesday and Wednesday, and just a little bit of green the last couple of days. Didn't trade very aggressively around it. So when we look ahead for next week, there are some names that are acting better than others. Uber continues to trade well here, not caring so much what's going on in this market. I like how that's holding in. PayPal has been holding in fairly well here as well, though today finally capitulated to the 21-day with the markets. What else is going on out there in this world? Is the biotech names today moved. AbbVie had a beautiful move today, back up. This looks pretty good. I'm in BioMarin. I trimmed some into this move today. I have less now than I've had, but nice move today in this name. Same thing with Amgen, decided to move up today, and J&J, which goes ex-dividend on Monday, had a nice move. So they did rotate to some of these names. The big box retailers continue to hang in strong, like Costco, all right, holding in. Home Depot and Lowe's have earnings next week. Both these names continue to hold in here and act well. Market trying to give a little rally here, so I want to get off this really quickly, but we'll see where this market wants to go. It's really about news or lack of it. So you need to be tactical here. You need to be careful. What continues to give me hope is the HYG. This is the high yield corporate bonds. This typically leads us down. It's holding up here through this. It's not selling off. And if you notice, this sold off last time. This dumped well before the market came in. So we'll keep an eye on this to see how this goes. At this point, other than my long-term positions, which are all stock-based on going home flat, I do not have a hedge in place, and we will see where this goes from here. Hope everybody had a good week trading. You know, I suspect that this move, unless this gets loose, will be a quick down move, and maybe we'll get some type of bounce off of there, but there could definitely be some more downward risk in this market. Enjoy your weekend. Nothing to do until Monday. I'll catch you guys later.